Let's be honest for a second. The silence, it's loud, isn't it? You haven't heard from them. No calls, no texts. And your mind is trying to convince you that you've been forgotten. You think that because they aren't begging, they don't care. But you are wrong. See, begging is for children. Real regret? That happens in the quiet. It happens when they realize the grass wasn't greener, it was just fake turf. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, knew that human behavior always reveals the truth, even when the mouth stays shut. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 signs that you are haunting their thoughts. And I'm going to show you how to handle it with dignity. If you are ready to stop chasing and start attracting, hit that subscribe button. Join the few who understand that silence is power. First sign, they accidentally reach out. We used to call this testing the waters. Now it's a breadcrumb. They'll send a message about something totally irrelevant, asking for a password they already have, mentioning a movie you saw together 10 years ago. Epictetus taught us that people are driven by what they lack. When you disappear, they feel the void. They aren't messaging you because they need that password. They are messaging you because they need a hit of your attention. Have you ever had an ex reach out with a pointless question just to see if you'd reply? Tell me in the comments. I want to see how common this is. Do not take the bait. Be polite, be brief, or be silent. Let them sit with the awkwardness. Number 2, they can't replace the quality. This hits hardest for those of us who have lived a little life. When you've built a connection based on loyalty, deep conversation, and stability that is not easily found in today's world. Seneca said, "The soul is dyed with the color of its thoughts." Even if they are with someone else, they are comparing that person to you. They miss your cooking, your advice, the way you handle the crisis. You see, cheap thrills are easy to find. Peace, stability, that's rare. If you were their rock, they are currently feeling the ground crumble beneath them. They might look happy on social media. Don't buy it. It's a highlight reel. Real happiness is quiet. Sign number 3, they act unnatural around you. If you run into them, or if you have mutual friends, pay attention. Are they overly loud? Do they brag about how great life is without you? Or maybe they go completely cold and won't look you in the eye. Both reactions mean the same thing. You still have power over them. A person who is truly indifferent, someone who is truly moved on, treats you like a stranger. They are polite and boring. If they are angry, nervous, or showing off, it's a performance, and the audience is you. Most people mess this up. They see the anger and get defensive. Don't. If they are emotional, you have already won. Number 4, they are keeping tabs. They might have unfriended you. They might have blocked you. But make no mistake, they know exactly what you are doing. They are asking your old friends about you. They are checking your profiles from a distance. Why? Because human beings hate losing something valuable. They are watching to see if you fall apart without them. Give them a show they hate. Let them see you healthy. Let them see you at peace. Let them see you building your business, your body, and your mind. As Seneca warned, attachment shows itself through attention. If they are watching, they are still attached. And finally, the 5th sign, the most painful one for them to accept. They realize that you were the one thing that was real. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The soul cries out for what it recognizes as true. When the noise fades, when the party is over, when the new relationship loses its spark, they are left with the memory of a man or a woman who stood by them. That is you. But here is the secret. You do not need them to admit it. You do not need their apology to know your worth. Your value comes from your discipline, not their validation. If you are done with the games and ready to stand in your own power, do me a favor. Hit the like button. It tells YouTube that we are building a community of strong, high-value individuals here. And if you're really serious, comment the words "I am the prize" down below. Affirm it to yourself. Walk away. Don't look back. And let them watch you rise.